Hello everyone, let's start our reading training with me today. Did you do the homework that I give you? Now black has to capture this white, and there are many first feelings. That's why this question is not that easy. Okay, we can follow up from A. When you cut here, now you have to write in many ways as well. If white is just connect here, you can save one stone first, and when white is save here, you can capture these two stones. So this is working. Then what about white to play here? If black just capture, now this is easy to save. But black is another move, black can cut again. And when white capture, black can capture back these two stones. You know white cannot connect here. So now this is still working. Okay, when you read until now, then you have to find out third feeling for white. Now white can just save these two stones with a stretch. What about this one? You know, now if black capture, then white can save here, then black can push here. This is the best move for black. And white plays here. Even though you can capture these two stones, it's impossible to capture all the white group. So now this is not correct. Okay, what about B? So B can be your second filling. And also there are many answers. If white just answer, then black can put it here. This is successful. But you know, white can just connect here. When white connect here, black has nothing to do. Even though you cut this, I can capture. It doesn't work. Even though you block here, I can make one more eye here. Okay, until now you read here. So why this question is difficult? There are many first feeling, and even when you place here, you know white has answered here, but it was not the vital point. Especially, it didn't work. Most of the time, if you follow the pattern, this should be correct, but this time was not. Then what about the C? Okay, C is the good move. You know, if white is just block here, then you can capture these 4 stones. So this is working, and white has to think about this connect. But now when you cut here, then white need to save, you can capture. And last answer, white need to connect here. In this situation, you have to be careful. You shouldn't cut these 2 stones. White can make 2 eyes. So you had to go to the left way. And when white connect, you can make a Atari. You know, now this is dead shape. White cannot get 2 eyes. In the future, you can just put here, then it's easily to capture. So this attach was the correct. D, actually D was not really necessary, and if your first feeling was here, then you can complete this way. So now it doesn't work. Did you find it correct? I know that today's homework was quite difficult, so today's question is not so difficult because I will always mix up. Some days should be a bit hard, some days should be a bit easy. Okay, then we can study the capturing rates question. Now black 4 stones are fighting with white 4 stones, and when you count to the liberty, black has 3 liberties and white has 4 liberties. Then how can we capture this white? If you just surround from outside, it doesn't work. White can hane here, even though you surround, it doesn't work. So the first, black has to make longer liberty. If you couldn't find it yet, then you have to just solve it first before you watch my explain. So now black has to stretch here, and white has to press from outside. Normally inside the pressing is not good habit. Black can capture. When white plays here, still black's next move is quite important. If you just surround from here, it doesn't work. Now white can catch up the timing to Atari these 5 stones. Then what can black do with number 3? Did you find it? You must hane here, and when white cut, you don't have to save this 1 stone. You can keep attack the 5 stones of the white. Something like this. If white doesn't cut here, white surround from outside. Now you are not going to surround from here. You can just connect here. You don't have to surround anywhere. Now you can capture the white. So at the first, you should make longer liberty, more liberty, and you need to find out hane as well. Yeah, this is correct. Okay, second question. This one. This will be quite difficult. What do you think about it? Now these 2 stones are in danger, and you must capture this white group. Or what do you want to try first? There are many options, just like those things. Can be more. Okay, we can follow up. If you play A, white can just easily Atari. Now 2 stones are captured. Black has nothing to do. What's wrong with black? And what about just try to press these 4 stones? The white must connect. But since this, black can't capture white, because now there is 1 more stone. Even you try to put here, eventually you need to go here. You can't save these 3 stones. So it doesn't work as well. Then how about C? C is very dumb. Now white can just capture. Of course, you may read this as well. You know, even we make such kind of mistake, then you shouldn't be regret. Just read. That's all. So now you must do D first. For such kind of question, if I give you this exchange, actually you can solve much faster. But if I just take this 1 stone away, then it will be much harder because you have many first filling. But since I exchange here, is the question level is much easier. Since this, you still cannot Atari something like that. So your good move is Kusumi. White must connect, and you can just press from outside. Now you made 1 more liberty for black. Because white can't get in here, black can capture. So even white just connect here, you can just keep connect. And when white surround, then you can Atari. And when white plays here, you can just capture. Did you solve it? So now, if I give you more easier than this, I think I can give you this one. Then level was much easier. But if I just give you this question, it can be much harder for you. Okay, the next one. Next question is life and death. As I told you today, I didn't make really hard, just the medium level. So I think you can enjoy to solve. Black has just 1 eye here. So now you need to get 1 more eye. Of course, you have to capture the white stones. If you just try to Atari something like this, then you can't make anything. Even though you touch this 1 stone, after this you can't capture this 1 stone. Then what do you think about it? What do you think? This time you have to keep the Aji and capture the white. Did you solve it? Okay, then let me show you. Black has to just jump here, and which means white has to capture here, because now if you don't answer anything, then black can capture this 1 stone. The black will get 2 eyes. When white capture something like this, now you can put 1 stone to white tiger's mouth. And when he capture, then you can Atari. Even white cut here, then you can make rear eye for this. So now this is working. And after this move, then there are not many variations. Yeah. You might read something else, just like this one. If you want to try, then you can even, of course we have to read. Yeah. I think white can just Atari here. Then if you are doing same as just now, then a little bit different, because black had 1 bad exchange. So even though you put 1 stone here, this result is ko. You know, ko is not successful. Now black didn't have to make ko. Yeah, even white try something differently, like here, and let me read. It's not really necessary. Even black plays like this, then it's gonna be ko as well. White is more risky. Yeah, I think just capturing was good enough for white. So since you jump here, then white has nothing to do. Did you solve it? Yeah, okay. The last question. Today's homework, and this is also not so difficult. Maybe you may have a first feeling already. So if your first feeling is somewhere, just keep follow up and try to search how white is going to respond, and you have to complete that result and try to read another way, and you have to read as much as possible. So today I made a bit easier than yesterday. So you can enjoy to solve, and you can enjoy to have a training of your reading skill. Okay, did you enjoy to watch this video? And if you think it was useful, then please like and subscribe for my channel. Then I'm gonna make the more interesting question tomorrow, and see you guys tomorrow. Thank you very much. Bye bye.